pressing is one of the most important steps in cheese making, which determines the characteristic shape of the cheese and helps complete the curd formation. During the pressing, whey will be expelled and curds will consolidate. The process is done by mechanical weight or by the weight of the curd itself. The pressing time is depending on the size of the cheese. The first step in cheese pressing is to prepare the cheese mold. To prepare the cheese mold, 2 pieces of cheesecloth are put onto the prepared container to make sure it's all covered. Don't forget to check to make sure it's flat and every corner is covered. The second step is to fill up the cheese mold and pre-press manually. Step 3 is weighing to make sure in each cheese mold it's around 30 pounds. Then the cheesecloths are put out and folded up to cover the top of the cheese curds. After that, pins are removed and the lid is put on. The removing of the pins allows the curds to be pressed all the way down to the final level during pressing. After all preparations were done, now we're ready for pressing. The pressing is started at 10 psi, and the cheese molds are pressed indirectly at first. The cheese press is controlled by the handle on the left-hand side. If you move it to the right, it will go down, and if you move it to the left, it will go up. Then the crate and boards are removed and we're gonna press it for about 20 psi for 30 minutes, and after that it will be pressed at 30 to 40 psi for 24 hours.